How to get rid of thigh cellulite in 1 week. Some people think that only obese or fat people can have cellulite, but they are wrong. Anybody can have cellulite, whether you are skinny, overweight, or obese. Cellulite is a skin condition where your skin, especially your thighs, appears dimpled and lumpy, almost like cottage cheese or orange peel texture. There are no defined medical reasons or causes for cellulite, but according to the Mayo Clinic, it is a harmless skin condition that causes lumpy, dimpled flesh on hips, buttocks, and thighs. It has something to do with fibrous connective cords that tether the skin to the underlying muscle, with the fat lying between. There have been many theories about the causes of cellulite. Some blame it on hormonal changes. Others say it has something to do with puberty. In any case, cellulite is a natural body occurrence that is unsightly and can be very embarrassing for some. The question, though, is how do you get rid of it? Following are a few natural remedies to remove cellulite from any part of the body. The good news about these remedies is that if one does not work for you, the other might, so pay close attention to how each home remedy is applied. 1. Coffee wrap. What you need: half cup of ground coffee, 3 spoonfuls of olive oil. Procedure: mix the ground coffee with olive oil in a microwavable bowl. Then microwave for approximately 20 seconds. Massage the coffee mixture into your skin thoroughly in a circular motion. When you are finished, wrap it tightly with a cling wrap for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the cling wrap and wash the skin with warm water. Do this twice a week. If your cellulite is nasty, you can do this 3 times a week in the beginning until you start seeing some improvement. Then reduce the frequency to twice a week. 2. Dry brushing. Dry brushing is an exfoliation mechanism that uses a soft bristle brush. The main reason for this method of removing cellulite is that it helps get rid of dead skin, but more importantly, it stimulates blood circulation. The best way to use dry brushing is to apply slight pressure while continuously brushing the affected areas for about 7 to 10 minutes. The reason for gentle pressure is to stimulate blood flow but not damage the skin. Do this 3 to 5 times a week and in the morning. Experts believe that it is safer and more effective when done in the morning. For more effective results, you can use anti-cellulite cream on the areas of the body that you want to brush before using the brush. It can make a big difference, especially if you have sensitive skin. According to the American Society of Dermatologic Surgery, the massage done to the body with this cellulite removal method will also help improve the appearance of cellulite because it can help drain the lymphatic system and tighten the skin tissue. 3. Detox with body wrap. Toxins and other waste products worsen the appearance of cellulite on the legs and thighs. Body wraps could be very effective for tightening the skin and draining accumulated toxins. Here's another detox with a body wrap that you can do at home to remove cellulite. What you need: 1 cup bentonite clay powder, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water, plastic or glass bowl, cling film or elastic bandage. Procedure: combine all ingredients in a plastic or glass bowl. The clay and vinegar might react to metal, so avoiding using a metal mixing bowl is essential. Apply a layer of the mixture onto the back of your legs. Wrap the area with either cling film or elastic bandage. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on what you can tolerate. Remove the wrap. Take a warm shower to rinse off the mixture. 4. Do regular thighs toning exercise. No guarantee exercising alone will get rid of your cellulite. However, thigh toning exercises done correctly, combined with the methods we've already given you, will help you rid yourself of cellulite as quickly as possible. Do the following leg exercises as frequently as possible. Exercise 1. Leg kickbacks. Get on all fours with your hands and knees on the floor. Extend your right leg backward as if kicking. Lower your leg to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds. Then repeat for the left leg. Exercise number 2, squat jumps. Stand firm with your feet pointed forward and around shoulder width apart. Slowly bend your knees to lower yourself as if trying to sit on a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Quickly jump up off your toes. Repeat for 30 seconds. These are proven leg and thigh exercises that are effective. Alternate between them and complete as many repetitions as possible each day. There is no need to do both every day, just one a day with many repetitions, in combination with the cellulite removal methods we've given you, will help you see meaningful results quicker. If you follow the procedure we've detailed for you and do one of the exercises daily, you will see results sooner than later. Best of luck to you. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.